6 years ago, nung una ako nakarating sa isang bansa kung saan ang kultura ay parte pa rin ng modernong pamumuhay ng mga tao. Isang bansa kung saan lahat para sa akin ay bago, tulad ng pagkain, lengguwahe, at transportasyon. Ang bansa kung saan kaliwat kanan mo makikita ang mukha ni Mario Maurer at ni Byford. Tara, samahan niyo ako sa aking pagbabalik sa bansang punong-puno ng kulay at tradisyon, Thailand. "9:33 p.m. NAIA Terminal 3. Dumating kami na mas maaga as planned. Kaya medyo nagantay kami na mahaba-haba. Mga bandang alauna na rin nung simula sila magpasakay sa eroplano. Pero mag-alas-dos na nung talagang lumipad to. Thailand, I'm back. It's almost 4 a.m. when we landed at Suvarnabhumi Airport. We're staying at my tita's condo in Asok, Bangkok. After ng kaunting power nap, nagilaw sa akin ang magandang view from the condo's balcony. We decided to get some snacks while waiting for our Grab ride that afternoon, since there's a talat near the condo. Dito pa lang, busog na yung mga mata ko sa dami ng pagkain.
It was you all alone that kept me safe from danger. I'm no longer a remainder.
This is also the place where I got my first authentic Thai tea.
Tell me I don't need to. I'm set free from misbehavior. Now I start to realize your grace brings me to life. No longer I believe all of these.
Took us about 20 minutes to get to our first destination, ICONSIAM.
Drop down on my defenses. I am redeemed. Now I believe. Now I believe. Something's missing in my life. Didn't know what it was till I felt it in you. Yeah. Something's missing in my life. Didn't know what it was till I felt it in you.
Sarap na ka. To be honest, trying crocodile meat is a part of my itinerary this trip, but I did not expect to get it that instant. After the meal, nag-ikot-ikot kami. And I saw the famous Arabica coffee branch here in Thailand. And so we decided to get some coffee.
Kept me safe from danger. I'm no longer a remainder. Want to return the favor. Tell me I don't need to. I'm set free from this.
And then we went outside to see if the rain has stopped. It somehow did, so I explored more.
Longer I believe all of these lies. I come to all my senses. Drop down all my defenses. In you I am redeemed. Now I believe. Now I believe. Something's missing in my life.
Then the night came, which only made the place look even more beautiful.
stranger. I'm no longer a remainder. Want to return the favor. You tell me I don't need to. I'm set free from it. All of these lies, I come to all my senses. What it was till I felt it in you. Yeah, something's missing in my life. Didn't know what it was till I felt it in you.
The cruise lasted for about 2 hours and it was indeed a fun experience, a must try. But for now, it's time to go home. Going home. Day 2, with our Tito Nap as our special tour guide. We headed to Pratunam to find some money changer, since we're going to floating market and we need some Thai baht. Going to Damlen Sadvak Floating Market requires a 2-hour drive. And I've been dying to see it up close. I literally screamed out of excitement when we got there. I did not expect that I will see this place in real life. A place which I've only been seeing on YouTube. With so many tourists, it is safe to say that this is a tourist destination that you shouldn't miss. So we decided to get our lunch before riding the boat. And of course, I've had khao man kai. Hu Tao Khao Thai. Không chơi đại bản tha. I got mixed emotions while riding the boat. Of course, there was a sense of fear, but excitement really got the best of me. You can find so many things just by riding the boat, from souvenirs, foods, and so much more.